Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and today I am here to unbox another Happie Scrappie kit. This one is called Farmer's Market and it is for September 2018. And if you saw my last unboxing of the Happie Scrappie kit, you know that I am subscribed to the sticker kit as well as the A5 rings. And just like last time, I'm gonna start with the sticker kit and open that. So here is the multiple subscriber freebie. I get this one because I subscribed to 2 kits. This one is so cute. It's a bunch of adorable little animals. Oh gosh, I'm so excited now. So let's see what the rest of the sticker kit holds. All right, so let's see. There's a bunch of goodies in here. So there's some die cuts. Oh gosh, these are adorable. So it's like a bunch of vegetables with kawaii faces on them. That's adorable. We also have a little fox here. Ooh! Oh, this is so cute. It's like a foiled kind of journaling card. It's not a sticker. It's kind of rose gold foil and it says, "Find your inner peace." And it's a bunch of peas in a pot. That's adorable. I love puns. I think it's so fun. And they have super cute and different faces. That's awesome. I love this one. Oh, and here's some extras. These are glitter headers in both brown and green. This is new. I haven't seen this before. Just like this thing. It's kind of a new format. Wow. Okay, so it's like a bunch of mini stickers. So here's glitter overlay deco half boxes. So these are so cute. Oh my gosh. And here's some more functional stuff. Here's water tracker and some quarter boxes. Here's some more headers. These are checklists and they're adorable. Oh, here's like a big sticker. Is this like a vinyl sticker? Wow, this one says, "You look radishing today," and there's a radish. I know there's a lot of puns, like vegetable puns in this, and I believe the hand lettering is from Any Plants, so yeah, but I love it. I think these are so fun. Here's another one. This one says, "I love you from my head to my toes," but it's tomatoes instead of my toes. That's adorable. Tomatoes. I love all of this. It's also cute. Gosh, these are so fun! Even more! So this one has a bunch of different vegetables and the colors are so vibrant on this one. I love it. This one says, "We're rooting for you." And that's really nice, especially for like the carrot, which is a root vegetable. So cute! I love these! And here we have, I think these are like on clear. That's awesome. And it's pumpkins and it's date covers. And the ones that don't have dates have cute little faces on them. That's adorable. Oh, I love these. And then we get to the actual like sticker kit, which is like, you know, the bigger version. You get a lot of extras this month with all of these tiny ones. That's so fun. But here we have the full boxes. These also have a glitter overlay. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera. I hope you can see it. I have different lighting now than I did last time, so hopefully you'll be able to see the glitter. It's gorgeous. Also have a bunch of puns on these and they're decorative and super cute. Here we have these like post-it style. I think those are so fun, and some more functionals. Here we have the bottom washi. That's a really cute design, and I love these like checklists. They're just so cute. And let's see, we have 2 sets of day covers and weekend banners, and here's a bunch of half boxes, like functional half boxes, and some quarter boxes too. And here's a deco sheet, and here's 2 full boxes too, I think. And yes, here's a bunch of headers, today to do, odds and ends, and some more functionals as well. This is so fun. I love the new style of stickers too. Like, I feel like you get more with this kit than you have previously, which is so exciting. So let's get into my A5 planner kit. This one is always a lot more. It's a bit more expensive, and in general, it's just a lot more stuff in here. Oh my gosh, look at this pen. What? Oh my gosh, look, the grip is like a little bear. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like this before. And here's a little bear too, and it says adorable pet. Oh, that's so cute. And I guess, yes, this is probably a 0.5 gel pen. And what is this? Oh, we get some clips. Okay, so there's one rose gold like tiny bulldog clip, and there's also a purple one. That's really nice. And let's see, here we have like the mini sticker kit. I feel like I get so much stickers now. Like there's the super tiny ones from the sticker kit, and then I have the regular stickers, or the sticker kit, and then I have the mini sticker kit from my planner subscription. Oh my goodness, I get so much. These are mostly like you've seen these before from the regular sticker kits, so it's just a different format. I love these too because these are also stickers. Once you used everything, you can use these as well. And these are tabs. I feel like these are on clear too. I really like the paper, like every single paper style that Happie Scrappie uses is always really high quality, whether it's premium matte or, you know, with the glitter overlay, or just like these. I think these are on clear. Everything is just super high quality and I love it. And you certainly get what you pay for, if not more. And here's a bunch of goodies. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh! There's journaling cards! Oh, we rarely ever get this with Happie Scrappie, but I love journaling cards. So this is the same quote with the tomatoes. That's so cute. And it's also double-sided. That's awesome. And this one is, I'm rooting for you again, but this time with the fox. Also double-sided. Oh, these are adorable. And here's a bunch of tiny little stuff. Oh my gosh, we have some pear tabs. That's adorable. And I have a couple more die cuts as well, the same ones I already got. Oh, and I get these again. All of them. Wow! That's so fun. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use these for yet, but they're like really big stickers. Like I can put these anywhere. I just have to figure out where. Gosh, but I love it. Now let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, yes, we have the papers. Papers are like my favorite thing ever that Happie Scrappie has ever come out with. So let's see, should I take the papers first? Maybe, yes. So we have, oh yes, I get 2 sets of vellum of 2 different designs. So first there's this one, and it's this rose gold color again. This one has the different kind of puns from Find Your Inner Peace, Try Love You From My Head to My Toes, or Tomatoes. We're rooting for you, and don't... This one is really cute. Don't settle for being mediocre, or mediocre. I think that's a type of vegetable. I think it's this one. I'm not exactly sure what that is. Maybe I know in Swedish once I see it, but it doesn't... I can't remember like out of my head. But either way, this is so cute. And then we have this one, which is the radishes, and you look radishing today again with a bunch of hearts. Adorable. Well, this one had hearts too, but I love these. This is so fun. And then we have some papers. Ooh, this is more of a copper, yellow coppery. It's not really gold, it's kind of a copper. It's different from this foiling, maybe you can see. I think Sam mentioned this, Sam, the owner of Happie Scrappie, that I think the manufacturers, or like they got it wrong or something, but she really liked how it turned out, so she kept it anyway. I actually love this foiling. I think it looks so cool. It really fits fall too. This one is kind of the same as the vellum with a bunch of puns, but this time in color, of course. Oh my gosh, we get 2. Oh, and that's the inside of that. Oh, that's a bunch of animals and fruits and veggies. That's adorable. This one, oh, it's like a light pink background. That is so cute. I love this kit a lot more than I thought I would. I mean, I'm never disappointed with Happie Scrappie, but oh my goodness. This is all so cute, and that's the inside of that. So let's see what's in this now. This is like the last kind of item here. So here's some more day covers. And here, oh my gosh. No way. Did she bring back like the dashboards? I think she did. Oh my gosh. So these are like pre-punched dashboards. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen this in a Happie Scrappie kit for a long time. That's so awesome. I would need to laminate this though, because it's kind of thin. Wow. Whoa, it's like a lot of new stuff in this kit, I feel like. So, let's see, there's 2 types of inserts, I believe. So we have, oh, okay. So we have like a horizontal week on one page, and then we have a kind of note section here, and it's kind of divided by a line. So I guess for me, it could be like work and personal. If I wanted to divide stuff up, like you have a big space to put like just scribbles, notes, to-dos, whatever. These things could actually be really good for me, I feel like. Yeah, that's awesome. And look at that. There's a little carrot there. Oh, no, wait. So there's... Gosh. Oh, I'm glad I looked. So, looks like we have probably a month's worth of... You know, the weekly, since you do get a Happie Scrappie kit every month. If you use the inserts every single month, you don't really need more than a month because you always get new ones. I thought these were also, you know, weekly, but these are like something else. They just look like this. That's really cool. I love when Sam tries new inserts. I'm not really sure what I would use this for, but I like to use different inserts for different sections in my planner. These could be really good for like project. I have a section called projects for like just scribble down ideas. And I love the little icons. These are really fun. I love this. Sam, I think your new stuff and improvements are awesome. Wow! Oh my gosh, look, we get a lot of these dock grid ones. That's something I wanted, because I don't know if I said it in my last video, but in past months we've only got like 4, I think. 4 pages of these kind of notes or dock grid, and I feel like that's something you use kind of a lot, so I wanted to get more, and now we get like I think twice as much as we're used to. Wow, this is great. I'm so excited now. Like, thank you, Sam. Alright guys, so that was everything from the September Happie Scrappie kit, both the planner kit and the sticker kit. Now I am so impressed by this kit and everything that is included and all the upgrades kind of everything and some comebacks. I always love to see what Sam puts in the kits because it's a little bit unpredictable because she changes things up, she improves all the time, and that's what's so interesting to see, I think. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, I definitely recommend that you do. And apart from kits or Happie Scrappie albums for that matter, if you do shop at Happie Scrappie, you can use my code HannahsHaven10 to get 10% off the entire website, except from kits and albums, like I said. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!